renal vegetarian diet. Eating a kidney-friendly, plant-based, or vegetarian diet can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether you're just starting on a renal vegetarian diet or need guidance along the way, this video is here to help. A well-balanced plant-based diet can offer numerous benefits, such as lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation in the body. By increasing the intake of fruits, vegetables, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, you can improve your overall health. With proper planning, following a plant-based lifestyle can complement your renal diet and help you feel your best. However, there are important considerations when choosing foods for a renal vegetarian diet. It's crucial to limit foods high in potassium, such as avocados, bananas, and potatoes, and to limit sodium intake from processed foods like canned soups or sauces. There are low sodium options available, and it's worth exploring them. Additionally, portion control plays an essential role in managing your diet effectively. A healthy renal vegetarian diet is achievable at any stage of chronic kidney disease, and with mindful planning and eating habits, you can maintain good nutrition and health while enjoying flavorful and varied meals. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathia Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of RenalDietHQ.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit RenalDietHQ.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. A renal vegetarian diet offers numerous health benefits, especially for those with CKD. A plant-based diet is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, cancer, and other chronic illnesses. Additionally, a well-planned vegetarian diet can support weight loss or help maintain a healthy body weight compared to meat-based diets. Vegan meals are packed with protein from plant sources like legumes, nuts, seeds, and grains, and they provide high amounts of fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps you feel full longer. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are also excellent additions to a renal vegetarian diet, offering generous amounts of vitamins A and C, as well as iron and magnesium. These nutrients are vital for overall health, particularly for those with advanced stages of renal disease. A renal vegetarian diet can be simple yet delicious, with plenty of recipes available for inspiration. From veggie stir-fries to hearty soups with beans or lentils, it's easy to create flavorful meals that meet your nutritional needs. With tailored meal plans, incorporating nutrient-rich vegetarian foods into your daily routine can become a natural and enjoyable part of your kidney-friendly lifestyle. Vegetarian diets can be both nutritious and delicious, but getting enough protein intake can be a challenge, especially for those with chronic kidney disease. The dietary protein recommendation varies based on the stage of CKD, with lower protein intake suggested for pre-dialysis and increased protein intake for those on dialysis. Luckily, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources to choose from. Soy-based products such as tempeh and tofu are rich in protein and can be used in a variety of dishes, like veggie fajitas or tempeh burgers. Lentils, another excellent source of plant-based protein, work well in soups or salads, offering fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. In addition to these, creative recipes like vegan macaroni and cheese with nutritional yeast or tacos made with black beans and corn can add variety to meals. For a quick snack, try spreading natural nut butter on apple slices or whole grain crackers. Nut butters provide healthy fats and protein to keep you satisfied between meals. By incorporating these protein-rich foods into your daily routine, it's easy to meet your protein needs while following a plant-based diet. With a little creativity and planning, you can enjoy flavorful, kidney-friendly meals that support your health. When following a renal vegetarian diet, it's important to know which low-potassium fruits and vegetables are safe to eat. Apples are an excellent choice as they are rich in vitamins and fiber, which aid in digestion while keeping potassium levels low. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants and low in calories, are another great option. They add flavor and essential nutrients without increasing potassium intake. Strawberries and cucumbers also make tasty snacks or side dishes, providing valuable nutrients without overwhelming your potassium levels. In addition to these fruits and vegetables, other low potassium options like Kiwi fruit, lemons, garlic, carrots, lettuce, spinach, green beans, and celery can be incorporated into your meals. Pairing these with low-potassium bread and other sides can enhance your diet. By choosing the right product and being mindful of portion sizes, you can maintain a nutritious diet that supports kidney health. With a little creativity, you can enjoy a variety of delicious kidney-friendly dishes that fit within your renal vegetarian lifestyle. Renal vegetarian diets can be both delicious and nutritious, especially when you focus on grains and legumes that are low in phosphorus. Choosing the right grains and legumes is crucial for managing kidney health, as too much phosphorus can lead to complications if you have high levels in your blood already. Some excellent low phosphorus options include lentils, kidney beans, black-eyed peas, and chickpeas. These options provide essential nutrients like iron, fiber, protein, B vitamins, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc, all while keeping phosphorus levels in check. Incorporating these grains and legumes into your meals is easy and versatile. They can be added to salads, soups, stews, sauces, or casseroles to create satisfying kidney-friendly dishes. With a little creativity, you can enhance your daily meals and ensure that you're meeting your nutritional needs without overloading on phosphorus. There are plenty of recipes online that use these ingredients, so you can easily adapt your favorite dishes for a renal-friendly plant-based diet. For vegetarians, it can be challenging to get enough calcium, especially since dairy products are often excluded from the diet. Fortunately, there are plenty of plant-based sources of calcium that can meet your nutritional needs. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are rich in calcium, as are cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli and cabbage. Tofu and fortified soy milk are also excellent sources, making them great additions to meals. These foods not only provide essential calcium, but also contribute to a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet that can support kidney health. In addition to vegetables, grains and nuts can further boost calcium intake. Almond butter offers a tasty and spreadable source of calcium, while whole wheat bread adds vital nutrients to sandwiches or wraps. If you're still struggling to meet your daily calcium requirements, consider adding fortified foods like orange juice or breakfast cereals to your diet. Calcium supplements available in tablets, capsules, and liquid forms are also an option, but it's important to consult with your doctor before adding any supplements to your routine. With these strategies, you can ensure you're getting the calcium your body needs while following a renal vegetarian diet. A healthy snacking routine is an essential part of maintaining a diet. To ensure you're getting the most from your snacks, focus on vegetarian options that are low in sodium and potassium. These types of snacks help keep your blood pressure in check while still satisfying your taste buds. Great options include unsalted nuts and seeds, hummus or veggie dip, fresh fruits and vegetables paired with salsa or guacamole, whole grain crackers, Air Pops popcorn, and dark chocolate in moderation are also excellent choices. By incorporating these low sodium, kidney-friendly snacks into your diet, you can keep your meals varied and enjoyable. Additionally, exploring new recipes is a fantastic way to keep your snacking routine fresh and exciting. There are countless renal-friendly snack ideas available online, so don't hesitate to search. For a burst of flavor, try adding spices like cumin, oregano, and garlic powder and chili flakes to your dishes to reduce the need for salt. Experimenting with snacks like roasted chickpeas or smoothie bowls made with almond milk and frozen fruit can be a fun and refreshing way to enjoy healthy treats. With a little creativity and experimentation, snack time can become a flavorful part of your renal vegetarian diet without compromising your health goals. Diabetics following a renal vegetarian diet must be particularly mindful of managing blood glucose levels and ensuring their dietary choices support both kidney and diabetes health. Since diabetes can be aggravated by poor eating habits, individuals with diabetes should pay close attention to food choices, portion sizes, and meal timing. A balanced eating pattern is crucial, including regular meals with evenly distributed carbohydrates throughout the day, selecting low glycemic index foods, and limiting sodium processed and fried foods. In addition, reducing saturated fat and increasing soluble fiber are key to managing both blood glucose and kidney health. The renal vegetarian diet is beneficial for diabetics as it tends to be lower in calories, sodium, and cholesterol, helping reduce risks associated with heart disease and stroke, which are common complications of diabetes. To optimize nutrition, diabetics should incorporate whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables, along with dairy alternatives like soy milk and tofu yogurt. Fortified cereals and juices containing vitamin B12 and iron can also be beneficial. Protein intake is essential and should come from plant-based sources such as beans and lentils. Collaborating with a kidney dietitian to create individualized meal plan ensures that diabetics receive the right nutrients and avoid potential deficiencies. With proper guidance and adherence to prescribed dietary guidelines, Diabetics can effectively manage their condition while enjoying a plant-based diet that supports both kidney and overall health. A vegetarian lifestyle is a healthy choice even with CKD. A renal vegetarian diet is an excellent choice for those with high blood pressure as it focuses on nutrient-dense plant-based foods that can help manage and even reduce blood pressure over time. While adjusting to this diet may be challenging at first, with the right recipes and a solid understanding of potential health, it can become a manageable and rewarding lifestyle change. Supplements may be useful in certain situations to fill nutritional gaps, but they aren't always necessary. Eating out while on a pre-dialysis renal diet is also possible with careful planning and knowledge of restaurant options that align with dietary restrictions. The key to success with the renal vegetarian diet lies in commitment and thoughtful planning, just like any other lifestyle change. By incorporating more fresh vegetables, legumes, nuts, and other plant-based foods, individuals can experience significant improvements in their health, including increased energy and overall well-being. Rather than feeling overwhelmed by the transition, embrace it as an opportunity to take control of your health and make lasting positive changes. A renal vegetarian diet supports health goals while managing chronic kidney disease and other related conditions, offering a path towards better health and a vibrant lifestyle. Thanks for watching today.